Ooh, yeah, and I can't go for that. Thank you for watching. It's another tutorial. It's another high taper. Most of my clients get high taper.
Nah,
I get a
yeah,
lot of
the
clients that
option is
like to
been
grow
on.
their hair out.
I removed the option paying
So,
first because when people would choose
I'm
that
just keep doing
option,
tutorials on high
and
tapers
then
until y'all
that
get it
happened when
perfectly down
ads
packed.
wouldn't
But
show
I'm
up.
just a master of the high
Ads would
taper
keep
because that's
glitching,
what I
and
do.
then I wouldn't have
It could be
nothing to
high,
charge them off
medium,
of.
low. I'm just the taper type
Especially the
of
ones
guy.
that didn't
I
show up.
usually don't do the
I hate
corners and stuff like that, but
not showing up
hold on,
and then
he's
texting
talking.
me after and saying, "Oh, my bad, I missed it." That shit made me so mad. I was like, you know what? I don't feel sorry for y'all.
What's up? I'm doing a voiceover for my tutorial right now. We can still battle though. Alright, let's go. So, combing his hair out, I got a brush. Of course, I got a brush. Combing his hair, I got to comb all the way around. And then, take the front down, taper his front line. It's not really a taper, you're just taking the hair down and you're just taking the hair down and you're just doing what you gotta do with the hair on top. Because you want the lineup to look sharp as ever. Because if the lineup not sharp, then that means you have too much hair on the hairline. I mean, you don't always gotta take it down for a taper, but if it's requested, it's requested. It brings out the hairline more if you take it down first. And I did my little instant wash. I'm washing everything now. And then after that, I blow dry the hair down. I'm not really trying to conform the hair to any position. I just want the hair to be dry because it's gonna trickle back up anyway. It's just 4C hair we're talking about. And then you start the lineup. When I use my lineup, I'm using regular trimmers, regular T outliner trimmers, cordless. They don't hit as hard as the corded clippers though, but these still hit heavy. We're just making sure the line is sharp. I'm not showing y'all the front scale because my client, he was like, "Why do I look cross-eyed in the camera?" He don't look cross-eyed. Well, he's showing me his business. What's it called? What do you call it? Fucking QR code to scan the business. He has his own dispensary. Just shaping up the corners, and that's where I'm gonna leave the shape up at the lineup. But I don't really believe in shaping up the corners for high tapers, of course, because it's a high taper. And what I'm putting on his forehead is tea tree oil. And as I put the tea tree oil, there's a quick bald line with the regular clippers, no guard. And then afterwards, I'm putting the clippers to the beard, quick little fade out on the beard because it's easy to do that like that. And I bald the rest of the hair out with the outliners and the T outliners because the T outliners, they have a smaller gap in between the blade. They're not really the long tooth trimmers. Let's start my first guideline without the guard. You want to flick up, so you want to start the fade pauses already. You don't want to make hard ass lines. And then I'm taking the one of course, and knocking the middle line out because it's too bulky. What's it called? And then I'm taking the zero guard, of course, the zero guard. And then once you're done with the zero guard and you're knocking out the middle line, the zero guard has to be closed. Then you're gonna take the clippers and close them and open them up so you can get the exact length you need to play with the bottom of the fade. And that's it. That's it for the fade. And then I'm moving on to the bearded part, the bearded lineup. I don't really take too much off the beard at all. I just try to keep the line as high as possible. You out? Alright. I just try to keep the line as high as possible and then shape it up all around the beard. Y'all won't see that part though. And then boom, razor. It's close to the end of the haircut. It's very easy to razor. As you see, I put the tea tree oil in the beginning of the haircut so that it can settle on the skin to make the skin softer. Not softer, but more dried out, more toned out, so I can put the razor on so I don't get that much backlash from the skin. My terminology's all messed up. Thank y'all for watching. This is the whole haircut. Y'all see how precise that is? That might be precise to me, but it might not be precise to you, but that's pretty precise as a haircut. And yeah, I really do the damn thing. Thank you for watching. Appreciate everybody for tuning in.